Shraddha ji, we heard your number, Lehre Lehre. It was very nice. So what sort of color combination, oh, on your right, what sort of color combination in your music room?
Really, I have not heard any song that I've sung Lehre Lehre.
Lehre Lehre.
Really?
But you are singer also. But what sort of this thing? Shraddha Kapoor ji, na?
Yes,
that's
me only.
You are a singer, we know. And so what sort of music room would you like to have? What sort of color combination in your music room you would like to have?
You know,
for practice and all.
I think it will be really cool to have a gold mic to sing with. That
so that when you record Lehre Lehre, like he said, जब वो गाना finally record होगा, कैसे रूम में record होगा?
ये golden लहरे लहरे.
Well, is there any more questions? See, please introduce yourself and the publication you represent and ask your question. Please raise your hand, the mic will come to you. Very simple exercise.
Hi, this is Suhail from Glamsham. As Dulux says, let's color. So if given an opportunity actually to Farhan and Shraddha, what would be your imagination and with what color you would paint this world in fact? Just a very...
यार आप लोग बहुत philosophical और deep questions पूछ रहे हो. हम लोग यहाँ पर मजे लूटने आए थे. What color would you paint the world with?
What would be your favorite color? As like it's quite oftenly asked actually, you know.
Yeah, I mean everyone has a favorite color. I think yeah, I guess my favorite colors are slightly cooler colors more often than not. I think they work nicer in this Mumbai heat, na, to be in slightly cooler colors. So that's what I usually wear.
And what about golden? As like we are talking about golden color.
I think UD already asked me that question.
Okay.
You know, I find that like quite a mood uplifter to want to wear. So it depends on whether I need that kind of boost or not in my life. So then I do.
Shraddha?
I'll tell you what I'll use gold for. Monarch gold in this case. I think it's truly versatile. I would wear it. I would use it in my attire. I would use it on my walls. I'm contemplating doing some renovation. So this is a color definitely on my mind. And as I said earlier, for women, gold and jewelry is definitely a must.
What is your favorite color?
What's my favorite?
Yeah.
My favorite color has been purple ever since I was a little girl. Yeah.
फरहान हाय, ज्योति फ्रॉम E24 न्यूज़ 24. मेरा सवाल है आपसे कि आपके घर का कौन सा कलर है, आप डिसाइड करती हैं कि आपकी वाइफ डिसाइड करती है कलर जब चेंज करना हो, या आप सजेशन देते हैं?
हाँ, मतलब थोड़ा डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम है घर पे अब तक, तो या ये डिस्कशंस होते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक पर्सन. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज एन इंटीरियर डिजाइनर एज वेल. तो वो आते हैं, दे पेंट डिफरेंट वॉल्स विद डिफरेंट कलर्स, सो यू कैन लिव विद इट फॉर अ व्हाइल. क्योंकि काफ़ी बड़ा डिसीजन है एक्चुअली, टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद यू. क्योंकि आप रोज़ उठेंगे और रोज़ इस कलर को देखेंगे, उसी में उठेंगे बैठेंगे. तो ये बहुत एक यू हैव टू फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल विद व्हाट्स ऑन योर वॉल्स. सो या इट्स समथिंग यू डिसाइड टुगेदर. हाँ, काफ़ी किया है मैंने अपने घर में. where I used to live with my mom and my sister, we painted one entire wall ourselves. फिल्मों में आपने देखा होगा कार्तिक कॉर्निंग कार्तिक में we are painting a wall. So there are many occasions like that where we painted stuff, and we painted the town red on many occasions. If you really must know.
Hi Shraddha, this is Sunita from India TV.
Hi.
Shraddha, आपके wardrobe में सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से रंग के कपड़े हैं और किसे आप avoid करती हैं? कौन सा कलर है जिसे आप avoid करती हैं अक्सर?
सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से रंग के कपड़े हैं? अभी आई थिंक काफ़ी मल्टी कलर्ड है मेरा वार्डरोब और काफ़ी डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड भी है. पर I really like bright colors a lot, and I also like dark colors. I think I don't wear a lot of brown, I think.
Farhan, hi. A question common to both Farhan and Shweta. Gold is something that we Indians are mostly fascinated with. We have never seen anyone outside India being fascinated with gold. Why do you think has this fascination lingered on for a long time?
No, I don't firstly think that's true. I think culturally, I mean, across all civilizations, gold was always considered a very auspicious metal. And because it's easily malleable, it was used to make many things. It was used as trade. It was used as currency, you know, through many civilizations, including India. So it is something that's predominantly has been around and has been in the collective conscious of people as something precious for a long, long time. And over and above that, I think even now, when you go and if you see people when they really need to dress up to go somewhere, be it an award ceremony or anything that's like an important ceremony, you'll see a lot of people wearing gold. Because there is something that automatically that indicates celebration, it indicates a certain kind of prestige. And so I don't agree with you that it's only an Indian thing. I mean, we celebrate it in a different way from how people do in other civilizations and in other countries, but they celebrate it too.
Farhan and Shraddha?
Yes.
Both of you are part of this film Rock On, the sequel. And you'll have just had first schedule in Shillong. Can you share a few interesting moments? And Farhan, you said that it's dedicated to the Northeasterners. So can you tell us something about the film, both of you?
You know, this is not really the perfect place to be sitting and talking about Rock On 2. I'm sure we'll have lots of occasions where we can sit and discuss it a little bit more aram se, you know, and a little more comfortably. I think right now if we discuss what we are here for, I think we have other people on stage with us as well, and we should respect their time for being here as well, please. Sir, black and white का ज़माना तो बहुत पहले चला गया.
Farhan and Shraddha, now that you're going to be seen in Rock On 2, so is this deal, is this brand endorsement a part of movie tie-up? Movie promotions, is this the first step for movie promotions?
I was very excited to be on this brand. Dulux is a wonderful brand. And it just happens to be a very lovely coincidence that, you know, Farhan was on board earlier and I joined in later. I think it's awesome, yeah.
And Farhan, apart from you, we see Shah Rukh and Saif also promoting paint brands. So do you consider yourself to be a competition for them?
No, I mean, what kind of competition is this?
Painting competition.
Yeah, so I mean, if you organize a painting competition,
genre, in the same
then we'll see. Yeah. I challenge them to a painting competition.
Even
Very well.
I'm not bad.
Hello, Farhan sir, my question is for you. You have given your voice for the national anthem, Raw. Recently, an incident happened where a family was thrown out of PVR for not standing up for the national anthem. As a citizen, what do you think about this? And do you think it is compulsory? It should be made compulsorily for everyone to stand up?
Sir, I don't know. There is a Supreme Court ruling vis-a-vis this, where they have a certain ruling as to what a person should do when the national anthem plays. It is up to each individual to decide whether they want to follow that ruling or not follow that ruling. It's up to them. If you ask me personally, I can only answer for myself. If I hear the national anthem playing, I will stand when I hear it play, because it evokes a certain respect in me, and I would stand. But the Supreme Court is the Supreme Court, and their judgment is there for anyone to follow or to challenge if they want to.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, like to thank all of you to making it here this afternoon. But before this afternoon session ends, I'd like to invite the entire AkzoNobel team to kindly join us on stage for a little photograph.
Well, ma'am, actually, मुझे तो कभी award मिला नहीं है, so I'm fascinated with this, and I'm extremely grateful कि ऐसी film को award मिला है जो which I have actually done for no